On this video, I'm going to show you how I fixed this VILLAON. This is model 51W. So this phone came for charging issues. The owner was saying as soon as he connect the charger goes off. So clearly it was a short. So I was planning to change this whole thing, but I couldn't find anyone with this charging panel, so I replaced the charging system. Still there was a short. So after all that frustration, I was like, okay, let me try working on it. I usually replace the whole thing. That's how I fix things. Like, I don't like, but anyway. So I did the capacitor remover off cam. So let me show you. The capacitor that I removed is very small. My camera focus is bad. I don't think you can see that. But yeah, I did remove the cap and the short was gone. So I haven't tested the panel yet, if it charges or not. But I was happy that it really charges. So let me show you where I removed the cap. The cap was sitting right here. That's where the cap was sitting. At first I removed this black big diode and nothing changed, so I replaced it back and I removed the cap and the short was gone. So we're gonna do the testing together. I haven't tested the phone yet, so yeah, there's the cap. I think you can see it right now. So yeah, guys, without wasting your time, let's put the phone together and see. Guys, if the video, you like my videos, I'm really looking forward to growing on YouTube. So guys, support me. I post cool videos, repairing videos. So let me grab my meter. And my meter is broken. I need to fix this. I want to show you that the short is gone. Unfortunately, I can't show you the time when the short was present because I've already removed the cap, but now the short is gone. That means we can be lucky. I didn't replace the cap, I just removed it, so I haven't replaced it. I don't know if it is that important to replace it, because sometimes in electronics some of these caps are just for protection. So maybe by popping it off, no major issues will appear. So let me put back the charging system. Okay, there we go. Let me check the phone. Does it work? Because I didn't turn it on to see if it works or not. Let me see if the phone works. Okay, the phone really works. So I'm going to touch the battery and put it back. Okay, the moment of truth. Let's see if the charging system works. Let me put it back nicely. Okay. Oh, it's charging 0.48. That means it's charging. There we go. The phone is charging. So the solution is to remove that capacitor. If you want, you can change the whole panel. But me, I couldn't find anyone with the panel and the customer was really putting pressure on me, so I had to work on the motherboard, subboard. So I just removed the cap. I think the cap, it was the one that was causing the short, and now the phone is charging, it's working. So guys, if you have a problem with this VILLAON, this is the solution. And if you like my videos, please hit the like button and comment. I would love to hear what you think about my video. And yeah, thank you.